Hi, everybody. So I talk a lot about home inspections and what you need to pay attention to. NAR just came out with this article recently, last week, 8 common home inspection issues, fix now or later. So definitely something, Google it, NAR, and then that title. But what they talk about are deciphering the potential red flags. So these are larger home inspection items that may alarm buyers, but sometimes there may be no reason for concern. So things you should look out for: structural or foundation issues, aluminum wiring. So that is found in homes between 1965 and 73. And it's, like knob and tube is something that you hear often too to look out for. Dated electrical panels, plumbing issues, and it gives you like price ranges also on fixing these things. And then floor joist, looking out for different rotted wood or termite damage. HVAC systems, those are costly to fix. Safety issues, drainage spots. So those are just the items that the top 8 that they said to look out for. So when you have a home inspection, definitely look out for these items and then talk to your inspector as well. Find out what they think are major issues, red flags, or something that may need to be updated in the next 3 to 5 years. Like those are the things that you really want to pay attention to.